Hello, everybody, and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we will discuss the 5 reasons why your site is not showing up on Google and, more importantly, how to fix it. But before we dive into the specifics, let's understand why search rank is crucial for your website and what happens when it fails to rank. The importance of search rank. Search rank plays a pivotal role in the success of your website. When users search for products, services, or information, they go on search engines like Google. Being visible and ranking high in search results increases your website's chances of getting organic traffic, attracting potential customers, and boosting your online presence. Now that we understand the significance of search rank, let's explore the 5 reasons why your site might not be showing up on Google and discuss effective solutions to fix them. Reason 1, you have a brand new website. Firstly, if your website is brand new, it's natural for Google not to have discovered its existence yet. Google maintains an index of websites, and it takes time for its crawlers to find and include new sites. However, there are steps you can take to speed up this process. Solution: to fix this, set up your website on Google Search Console, a valuable tool for monitoring performance. Submitting your website's sitemap through the Search Console will help Google understand its structure and content, expediting the indexing process. Reason 2, the no-index tag is present on your pages. Another reason your website may not appear on Google is if you have inadvertently used the no-index meta tag on your pages. This tag tells Google not to include those pages in its index, rendering them invisible in search results. Solution: to address this, audit your website and ensure the no-index tag is not present. Double-check settings, particularly if you use content management systems like WordPress, where certain options might inadvertently apply the tag. Reason 3, your Google crawler is blocked. The third reason your website might be absent from Google's search results is if you unintentionally block Google's crawler. This prevents the crawler from accessing and indexing your pages. Solution: to fix this, review your website's robots.txt file. This file provides instructions to search engines on how to handle your website. Ensure that no directives block Google's crawler, allowing it to crawl and index your web pages properly. Reason 4, lack of quality, original content. Next, let's talk about the importance of quality, original content. Google values unique and informative content, as it strives to provide the best search results to users. If your website's content duplicates information found elsewhere, it may need to rank better. Solution: what to do? Just focus on creating original, in-depth content that adds value to your audience. Conduct keyword research and tailor your content to target relevant phrases. Ensure your website does not contain duplicate content, as this can result in penalties from Google. Reason 5, technical SEO issues. Lastly, technical SEO issues can prevent your website from ranking on Google. These include factors like slow page load times, broken links, crawling errors, and issues with metadata. Final solution: conduct a thorough website audit to fix these technical issues. Identify and resolve problems affecting your website's performance, such as improving site speed, fixing broken links, and ensuring proper metadata implementation. And there you have it. 5 common reasons why your site may not be showing up on Google and practical steps to fix them. Remember, search rank is crucial for your website's success, so investing time and effort into improving your visibility on Google is well worth it. If you need professional assistance optimizing your website's search engine visibility, our team is here to help. Contact us for affordable, high-quality website design, development, and SEO services. Thank you for watching, and best of luck in boosting your website's presence on Google.